Everywhere you see the well, the well, the well. It's raining, oh my god. I like wells so much. And also kind of phobia for me. I don't know, I always dreamt of whales, snakes when I was young. Oh my god. It's a mystery. That's lovely place. Do you see that? I think you must visit this place. This is beautiful. And do you see this art? I think these are different rulers and their logos according to me. I mean, in my opinion. Look at that. I love that. So every time the emperor and the kings used to rule this place, maybe they have come up with their own logos. That's my estimation because I don't know the history. In order to know the history, you need to read the books or you really need to spend time. Wow. I'm like flabbergasted with this place. Yoo-hoo! I like it. Bye bye. It's raining, so be careful. Walk slowly. Oh wow. That's fantastic view. While it's raining, it's again totally different place to visit. And you know what? I'm really enjoying the weather today. Really. I don't know why. I really love rain. But I don't know if you want to get dried up. You know, that's a big question.